Okay, thanks a lot for that. Let's do one thing. Let's talk about LTIMindtree. That's in focus now. Reema's here to give us the latest on that. Reema, over to you.
Thanks so much for that. So Emkay met with the CFO of LTIMindtree, now a merged entity, and the investor relations head. And these are the key takeaways. They're saying that Q3 revenue growth is going to be impacted by higher than usual furloughs, lower number of working days on site, as well as elimination of certain revenues which are common, right? Common clients, common revenues after the two entities got merged. They are also seeing delay in decision making in the retail vertical, consumer packaged goods called CPG, high tech, as well as energy and utility. They're also saying that the margin trajectory for the merged entity will be lower in the second half of the year. One, on account of moderation in the revenue growth, and plus there will be one-off costs related to merger and integration, which should be to the tune of 100 to 150 basis points in Q3. That said, despite all the macro uncertainty and the warning, the warnings that we're getting from a lot of the clients, LTIMindtree does not expect a delay in finalization of the client budgets, though they do plan to slow down hiring next year, considering that attrition has started moderating and they want to focus on utilization. They're saying that all the merger-related processes should be completed in FY23. Those one-off costs that we spoke about, which will impact their margins. So FY24 will be business as usual for the merged entity. Back to you.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Reema. Well, the market is definitely off their day's lows and now flatlining. So the headline index may look like not much is happening, but there's plenty that's happened in the last 1 hour. The Nifty has recovered a goodish bit. Let's slip into a quick break. But on the other side, we draw your attention to our special segment. It's the economy. There's been a string of upgrades for public sector as well as private sector banks. To discuss what's going on, Lata will be connecting with the management of two old private sector banks, Mahabaleshwar MS, the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank, and Murli Ramakrishnan, the MD and CEO of South Indian Bank.